Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Sktacademy. In this video we will learn about units in AutoCAD. So I will open AutoCAD for a while and I will type here UN for units. What units are? Units are used to represent dimensions in AutoCAD, and then it is categorized into length, angle, insertion scale and lighting. So we have 5 types of units. Let's discuss one by one. First we have architectural units. The architectural units are based on feet and inches. It uses fractions to represent the partial inches. You can see the example, and you can use a single quote for the feet and double quotes for inches. This is what architectural use does. The next one is decimal units. Decimal units can be represented as inches, inchometer or millimeter or centimeter. Third one is engineering units. The engineering units are like architectural units. They are like same, but the format is a decimal. In architectural they use fractions, and in engineering units they use decimal. And you can see the example: 4 feet and 5.500 inches. So this is engineering units. Number 4 is fractional units. The fractional units are the unitless decimal units, which displays the value in fractions rather than decimals. For example, 5/2, or you can see also represent whole number or whole number with fraction 5/2. So these are decimal units but in fractions. The last one is scientific units. Scientific units are used to display the units in the form of decimal value raised to a power. It normally uses the value of exponents, and it is used to display large values. And you can see the example 2.600 and then the exponent. So these units are used in to display large values. You can see here architectural, decimal, engineering, fractional and scientific. The next thing we will discuss is the angle type. So we have 5 types of angle. The first one is decimal degrees. It displays the angle value in decimal. For example, 45, 90. These are called the decimal degrees. Normally we use a lot these decimal degrees, so we will select this one. The other one is degrees, minutes, second. AutoCAD uses D for representing degree because there is no keyword for the degree on the keyboard of the computer. For example, 10 for 10 and then degree, and 20 the single quote is used for the degree, for minute, and the double quotes is used for seconds. So you can see the example of 10 degrees, 20 minutes and 21 seconds. The next one is we will discuss grades and radian in this one. So these are mathematical units, and you can see the example. 1 radian is equal to 63.66 grade, and 1 radian is equal to 57.3 degrees. So these are called grade and radians. The last one is surveyor units. The surveyor units are similar to grade and radian but use quadrants instead of a full circle. So normally we will work in architectural engineering units, and we will select the angle type decimal degrees. Degrees, minutes, second are used normally for roads. Now let's discuss the precision. The precision value in AutoCAD determines the number of decimal places displayed in the corresponding unit. The decimal are round up to the specified precision value. It means it is used for rounding the value. After point, how many numbers you want. So in building, we will select the third one, or for the smaller values or for the smaller design you can select the last one. And the same is for the angle precision. You can see the example here. 45. So the first one is okay. Now the angle will be clockwise or the anti-clockwise. Normally we use anti-clockwise, but if you want to select clockwise, then you can select the clockwise. You can check it here. The insertion scale, if you want to insert a file, a block into your drawing, which units it will use. So the insertion scale consists of the units to insert in the content. We can select the units from the drop-down list according to the requirement, but in architectural, inches are okay, so we will not change it. Otherwise, you want to change it to feet or to millimeters or into centimeters, you can. The last one is for the lighting. We have two types of lighting, American and international. First, learn about photometric lighting. The photometric lighting uses light energy values which gives a realistic and a natural appearance to a scene. It defines light more accurately as it would be in the real world. So lighting it specifies the lighting units for the drawing. It enables generic or photometric lights. So we have two types of lighting, international or American. You can select as per required, but this is for the 3D rendering. If you want to draw a plan, elevation, so it will not work. Last thing, you can select the direction. As per required, you can start your angle. We will start from the east and it is 0 0. If you want to start from the north, so the starting unit will be 270, and you can select as per required. So I selected architecture and the precision is 1/4. Decimal degrees, precision is 0. Anti-clockwise, inches, lighting is international, direction will start base angle 0 or from the east. So this will be the setup. Then I will press OK. So my units will be selected. So that's the video, a simple video on drawing units in AutoCAD. I hope you guys will like my video. If you like my videos, do subscribe my channel, like it and share it. Also do comment, so it will motivate me. So thanks. See you in the next video. Bye.